Tired of your outdated kitchen, but not ready for a full renovation? You're not alone. In Derby, more homeowners are choosing a smarter way to refresh their kitchens without ripping them apart. At Spraymasters, we specialize in professional kitchen cabinet spraying, transforming tired cabinets into stunning modern finishes, all at a fraction of the cost of replacing. Our team preps, sprays and seals your existing units with a flawless factory finish, right here in Derby. No mess, no weeks of chaos. Whether you want sleek white, deep navy or on-trend sage green, we bring your vision to life with durable, high-end results. Why waste thousands in 2026 when you can spray, not replace? Book your free quote today and love your kitchen again.